Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a diamond pattern which is made with front post treble crochets, and hence it is titled as Diamond Cross Trellis. It's a beautiful pattern and works very fast and grows fast. Okay, and it is made with simple single crochets and front post treble crochets. So for this particular motif I used my Hobby Store Iron Premium Acrylic Anti-Pill yarn, which is a 5-ply yarn, and I used 6mm and 5mm clover crochet hooks. 6mm I used only for chaining of the foundation chains, and for the rest of the main work I used my 5mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video without further delay. Chain multiples of 6 plus 4. I shall chain 5 multiples of 6, 30 plus 34, and get back to you. These are the foundation chains, and now we are going to work the foundation row. Foundation row, place 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4th. I'm going to work in the back bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 double crochet in each chain all across. Just a minute. So work in the back bumps of each chain 1 double crochet. So continue till the end. I shall continue, complete and get back. I have completed the foundation DC row. So I have 32 double crochets. Now we begin the first row. Row 1 is, you can chain 1 and turn, or turn and make a single crochet in the very first stitch. Pull up the loop to the height of a single crochet. One single crochet each in each of the DCs all across. So we should have 32 single crochets at the end of the row. So rows 1, 2 and 3 are single crochet rows. So at the end of the row you may chain 1, turn and consider chain 1 as the first stitch. Then you will skip the first stitch and work 1 single crochet in each of the stitches all across. Else you turn, pull up the loop to the height of a single crochet, place your first single crochet in the very first stitch, and 1 single crochet in each stitch all across. So ensure that at the end of every row you have 32 stitches. So rows 1, 2 and 3 are single crochet rows. Complete the single crochet rows and get back. I have completed 3 rows of single crochets. First row, second row, third row. Now you can chain 1 and turn. When you chain 1 and turn, you're not going to work in the very first stitch. This chain 1 is considered as your single crochet. Otherwise, you can turn and make a single crochet in the very first stitch. This will give a better finish on the sides. 1 single crochet each in each of the next 2 stitches. Now we are going to make the cross FPTRs. So yarn over twice and FPTR, front post treble crochet, over the post of the second DC in the foundation row. Okay, so here, so I have yarned over twice. Oh God, it's not getting picked up. Yeah, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now skip the next 4 double crochets on the foundation row. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to work the next front post treble on this on this double crochet. That is the 5th double crochet from the one we worked. 1 2 3 4, we skip, yarn over twice, now behind these 2 front post trebles, skip 2 single crochets and place 1 single crochet each in each of the next 4 stitches. Sorry. Now we're going to work front post treble crochet. So on the DC, around the DC of that is just left to the last DC worked upon. Okay, so yarn over twice, and then yarn over twice, skip 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 4, and work front post treble in the 5th. Skip 2 single crochets and work 1 single crochet each in each of the next 4 stitches. So this is the stitch repeat for this row 4. This is the what do you call it? This is the foundation treble crochet for working further rows. So I shall complete the stitches and get back to you. So this is how it looks at the end of 4th row, the base row for working the diagonal trebles. Okay, now we are left with 3 stitches. Like, we need to skip these 3 stitches. If you had made the turning chain, you don't forget to place the last stitch on the turning chain. If you made the SC, there is nothing like it. So make your last stitch on the SC here. Yeah, so this is how it looks after row 4. For row 5, you may chain 1 and consider it as first single crochet, or turn, make a single crochet in each of the next 3 and make 1 single crochet in each of the skipped stitches too. Sorry, not on the front post table but on the skipped stitches. So 1 single crochet each on each of the next 4. Now we are not working any stitch on this front post trebles, so we have 2 stitches skipped behind them, so we are going to place our single crochets on those stitches. So continue the pattern, stitch pattern all across. See, we are working on the single crochet that we skipped. Continue, I shall complete and get back. At the end of row 5, this is how it is. So when we turn, this is how it looks. Now for row 6 and 7 we are going to place one single crochet in each of the single crochets that we made in the last row. So complete row 6 and 7. If you make a turning chain, that is considered as the first single crochet. Otherwise you can place your single crochet directly by turning. After turning, pull up to the height of a single crochet and place your first single crochet in the very first stitch. So ensure that the number of stitches are same as you began with. Okay, I shall complete row 6 and 7 and get back to you for working row 8. So I have completed row 6 and 7, the essay rows. Now you can chain 1 and turn. Chain 1 is not counted as a stitch for this row. Otherwise, turn and place a single crochet in the very first stitch. Even if you chain 1, you need to place a single crochet in the very first stitch. Now we are going to make one FPTR around the post of 2 FPTRs 4 rows below. So yarn over twice, skip the single crochet just behind the FPTR. So this is a stitch. Make one single crochet in each of the next 4. Now place one more FPTR around the post of the very first 2 FPTRs 4 rows below, where we worked the last FPTR. Now yarn over twice, place a front post treble crochet around the post of the next set of FPTRs. So now you have made 2 FPTRs diagonally. Skip 2 single crochets behind these 2 FPTRs and place one single crochet each in each of the next 4. Again, yarn over twice, FPTR around the post of 2 FPTRs 4 rows below on which we made the last FPTR. Then one FPTR over the post of the next 2 FPTRs 4 rows below. Skip 2, 1 SC each in each of the next 4 stitches. So this is the stitch repeat for row 8. Complete the stitch repeat. I shall also complete and get back. So we have come to the end of row 8 here. At the end of row 8, we are left with 2 stitches. We have made the last 4 single crochets. Now we need to place our last FPTR over the set of FPTRs 4 rows below. Skip the stitch behind this FPTR made and place your single crochet, last single crochet or last stitch on top of the turning chain, or sorry, on top of the single crochet, because we have not made a turning chain. 1 minute, it's getting difficult to insert the hook. Yeah, so 9th row is similar to row 5. So we are not working on the stitches with FPTRs, but we will be working in the skip stitches. We will place 1 single crochet each on each of the stitches and in the skipped stitches too. So at the end of this row 9 we will have 34 single crochets. Row 10 and 11 also are single crochet rows. So complete rows 9, 10 and 11 as you did for rows 5, 6 and 7 and get back. I have completed row 11. You can chain 1 and turn. That chain 1 is considered as a single crochet. Else turn and place your very first single crochet in the very first stitch. This method gives a neater side edging. 1 single crochet each on each of the next 2. 1 minute, I have been doing yarn under all through. Yeah. Now place your first FPTR over the single FPTR over here, 4 rows below. Now 1 FPTR over the post of both the FPTRs to left of this. Skip 2 single crochets behind these 2 FPTRs and place 1 single crochet each on each of the next 4 singles. The rest of the pattern is same as we did row 4. So FPTR, again an FPTR, skip 2, 4 singles, FPTR, FPTR, skip 2, 4 singles, continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end of row 12. I have placed my last FPTR on the last FPTR 4 rows below, and now I will be left with 3 stitches or 2 stitches and turning chain. Okay, so place 1 single crochet each on each of the next 2 and 1 in the last stitch or on top of the turning chain. So this is how the pattern develops. So repeat rows 5 to 12 for the pattern and to the desired length. I shall also complete a few more repeats of the pattern and get back to you. I have made a few more repeats and completed this diamond cross trellis. These diamonds are made with front post trebles. Thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos. Do click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day.